Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CELZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis last week, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's very nice move, really this afternoon, again, each of these represents 30 minutes. So you look here at the volume, and the volume bars really didn't start to increase until later on in the day. So regardless, though, big volume in the afternoon, the price reacted nicely with it, and now updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning. Going to go ahead and get rid of that line. Sure, it still pertains. It's just not relevant right now, and from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So I want to just try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see the MACD as support. So for those of you that remember the video from last week, talked about 0.033 as that resistance level, but now you would want to see it act as support, and actually that already played out. So the price broke above it right here, and then the price rolled back over. Surprise, surprise, found some support right at it from that point, and then up from there it did bounce. So that's going to be, like I said, one of the newest areas of support. The ideal level of support going forward, I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be, all right, that was bizarre. It would not let me copy and paste, so I had to end up reloading everything. But there we go. So next level of support, and like I said, ideal level, meaning what would make the chart look the best, that would be up at 0.038. But, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0.038, I'm not saying the entire chart's a disaster and ruined or anything like that. But if the price can somehow manage to stay above that level, that would be a great sign of power. And then for you people that care about more so the broader picture of things and just the overall trend, the overall flow, just use that purple line right there, the 50 period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. And a very simplistic way to just judge the overall health of things. As long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, look like there's some right now at 0.042, but in all actuality, resistance levels on charts like this don't even matter, because as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing, which is, staying up above that purple line, building higher lows, then everything else will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.